What's going on, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today I want to take a look at The Final Crisis, Rogue's Revenge. Ladies and gentlemen, I remember this from a long time ago. I actually read this digital copies that I got not quite so legally. And now it's time to buy the comic so that I can true up. Got it in trade, hardcover, real cheap, $5. Very good story. Very good art. It's not too often that I stumble upon a comic that I wouldn't normally read and get into it because of the art, because of the story. But this definitely has all of the awesome stuff. Look at that art. So nice. So nice. So within this story, the rogues have been replaced, and nobody expected them to return. But here they are. And the people that replaced them were not too happy to see them. The thing is, you never mess with the original. In this situation, the original is definitely better than the copy. Now, this is a page that always kind of perplexed me in the story. I mean, this Joker kid, the trickster, he's being like, haha, we killed a Flash, and everyone's so angry at him. And he's like, you never got it, did you, kid? This wasn't supposed to be, this wasn't a game that was supposed to be won. We survived this long doing what we do because we have unspoken rules. Never kill a speedster. I guess that means you don't kill a speedster and you get to go on being failures as enemies, failures as bad guys. So, within this, yeah, ultimately you're not supposed to kill a speedster, but a speedster got killed. And now the piper had to be paid. Yep. And this guy, honestly, I can't even remember. Libra. He was part of the Final Crisis story. I still, off the top of my head, I don't really get it a whole lot. But this is a story about villains. An evil speedster villain. It's amazing what you can do if you take superheroes' powers and you move them up to the nth degree. Zoom, Professor Zoom, the reason that we have the Flashpoint. You know, if you see him, and stuff's about to get interesting. So, the rogues throw down. They're back, and they want revenge. And they find out, no, the guy that made all of our costumes is dead. And he made costumes so perfectly. And these new guys are like, hey, we're new guys. And we realize you got your costumes made by this guy, and we killed him. Ah, ha, 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 ha. And they're like, why? Why did you do that? No, you shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have done that. He's just a boy. So they get into a fight. And they quickly find out. that the guy that made the originals costumes did a much better job. Did a much better job than these jobbers. Good guys, bad guys win, bad guys lose. And as always, England prevails. And that is the most memorable part of the entire story. The rest of it, I don't think most people even remember. But they're definitely villains. There's definitely villains. Anyways, united they end up killing Kid Zoom. And that's all that matters in this story. However, I would say the best part of this story is messing with the jobbers that tried to take their place and realizing that they didn't have the power. That was the best. Anyways, that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Like and subscribe if you like the stuff. Always appreciated. And as always, take care of each other.